Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to reset and configure Samsung Galaxy Go to A30 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
First, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. In General Management, you will find Reset. Tap on this. From this page, tap on Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the button Reset. A confirmation page will open. Press all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Tap on Delete All. The reset process is started. This process will take 5 to 6 minutes. Your phone has been reset. Now you have to configure your handset. Tap on Go. There are some options you have to select. These options must be selected before you proceed. And these are some optional settings. If you want all the options will be selected, then select I have read and agree to all of the above. After that, tap on Next. You can bring your old data or you can skip the step. Then tap on Next. You can connect to any Wi-Fi network or you can skip the step. Adjust the date and time. After that, tap on Next. Scroll down and tap on You want to accept. You can select any of these to protect your phone. Or if you want to set this later, tap on Not Now. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Skip Anyway. You can sign into your Samsung account or you can skip this step. Another confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Skip. And finally, tap on Finish. That's it. Your phone set has been reset and configured successfully. In this way, you can reset and configure Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.